In this video, I will guide you how you can draw a half circle in MS Word. For this, you need to go to the insert and click on the shapes and pick the circle shape and draw on the Word document. And now again head to the insert and click on the shapes and pick the rectangle shape this time and draw over it like this one. Adjust the corner of the rectangular shape. And now select this shapes and select this shapes. And now right click and click on the group and group. And now you can move anywhere on the document. And now select the first shape and go to the style shapes. Under the shape format you will see that shape styles. Click on that and you will see that the background is gone. And now right click over this and format object, and here is you will see that line. You need to click on the no line, and now you can see that half shape. You can move it, resize it. So if you want to change the color of the half circle, then double click on this first upper portion and now go to the solid fill and change the color. And even you can also remove the no line, so the line is removed. And now you can move anywhere on the Word document. So another way is that go to the insert, click on the shapes, and now this time pick the basic shapes and go to the partial shapes. Pick on that and draw on the canvas. And now you will see that the red orange dot. Drag it to the left side and create a half circle shape. Right click and go to the format shape, and under the fill color you need to change the color of your choice. And if you want no line, then click no line and move anywhere on the document. And even you can gradient fill, you can use as well. Pick the second color and you can play mix and match like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy, and I hope you understand how you can draw a half circle in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.